Fashion me. See that damn me.
Ding dong daddy ding ding. It's your boy Easy.
See that damn me.
Oh.
Hi babes, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be dyeing my hair from black to blue black. So that is why you see me with bleach and 30 developer. I'm going to mix these two together to bleach the hair first before I go for the blue black color. So today's method that I'll be using is the new trend that has been going on. I've been seeing this trend on YouTube for some time now and I just want to give it a try. Most videos that I've seen on this hair coloring trend uses 613 hair, but if you have any black hair you can just grab it and transform it into anything you want, and that is exactly what I'm doing. We're saving some money, baby. So the hair that I'm using in this video is from Luffy hair. This hair was sent to me long time ago. I didn't like how the hair looked, so I didn't wear it. And because I wanted to do this color method, I just decided to give it a try, bleach it and see how good the hair is. In order to make the application easy, I parted the hair into 4 different parts and then I applied the bleach. I let the bleach sit in the hair for like 15 to 30 minutes and then I rinse it out with my shampoo and conditioner. I made sure to use the neutralizing shampoo first before I use my original shampoo.
Digits on the beat.
Now the bleach has been in the hair for like 30 minutes and I can see the hair lightening up. So right now I'm going to do the washing routine. So yep. dried, and this is the result. I don't really like how it came out, but I'll still work with it. I already have my water on the fire, and I'm going to let it boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the color in there, and I'll put the rig in there. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I forgot to show the color, but I'm going to leave the link and the color that I use in the info section, so please check it out. I'm really sorry I forgot about it.
Digits on the beat.
The hair color is looking superb. I really like the outcome. This is my first time doing the watercolor method, and I really do like it. It's much easier this way, and I'll be doing this most often. This wig was not pre-plucked, so I had a hard time working with it. I had to pluck over and over again. It was so tiring, guys.
Digits on the beat.
This is the next day, and the wig is all set and ready to be installed. I really do love the outcome. So babes, let me know if you want to see a tutorial on this makeup look. I would be happy to do it for you guys. So yes, after I was done with the hair, I wanted this wet look, so I did this mixture of water and argan oil, and then I sprayed it on the hair. I also applied my olive mousse. I got that from Sally's, and I applied it to the hair to give me the wet and wavy look I was going for. So babes, I was really feeling this hair. The hair is so amazing. After bleaching and coloring this hair, I still didn't experience any shedding or tangling. The only downside about this hair is it came unplucked, so I had to do so much work to the hairline to achieve the hairline that I was going for. But apart from that, the hair is good to go. So I applied my foundation to the pattern, and so here we go. This is the final installation. I am so much in love with this hair. So guys, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button, because I will be bringing you more videos, guys, and I don't want you to miss any of my videos. So make sure to turn on your notification button. Bye my babes.